Hello everyone, how are you? This is Kari Arif, lecturer in English of Udayana Degree College, Shagata Gaibandha. Welcome everyone to my online class, and today's lesson is for my beloved students of degree third years. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. And today I am going to talk about fill in the blanks with suitable words of your syllabus. Okay? And I would like to teach you some shortcut methods or shortcut techniques. How can we easily solve the problems in the exam? Okay? And let's start. Technique 1 or rule 1, bread and butter dash my favorite food. My dear students, you know that bread and butter is a subject here, and if the subject is singular, the verb will be singular. That's why here the gap is after subject and the correct answer will be is. Go for rule number 2, smoking dash upon our health. Okay, you know this is subject and after subject there will be a verb. Okay, and if the subject is third person singular number, the s or es will be added at the end of the verb. Tells upon, you know that it's a group verb. Okay, that's why the correct answer will be tells upon our health. So you have to know some group verbs. Next, rule number 3, no sooner had he seen the police dash he ran away. Dear students, you know the answer will be then. Why? Because you have to know the correlative conjunction. Okay, no sooner had, if you find the no sooner had in a sentence, and you should use in the gap then. Just for example, not only dot dot but also so dot dot that. Okay. Next, rule number 4, the man died dash overeating. Dear students, the correct answer will be from. It is also group verb, died from. That means a person died from overeating. If the sentence indicates eating or overeating, okay, then you should use here died from. And if there indicates accident, so you should use there by. Okay. And if the sentence indicates disease after died, you should use of. This is group verb. Next, rule 5, neither of them they selected for the job post. Okay. And what will be the correct answer here? What will be the suitable word here? According to the subject or head word, here neither is the head word, so the correct form will be is here, right? The subject is singular or head word is singular, verb will be singular. Rule number 6, he is accused as thief. Dear student, you have to memorize some appropriate preposition. This is the use of appropriate preposition. After accused, you should use of. Next, rule number 7, he is junior dash me. You know, junior, senior, superior, inferior, these are Latin comparative adjective. Okay, and after Latin adjective, you should use always to, mind it. Next, go for rule number 8, hardly had I gone out dash he came. Okay, this is also correlative conjunction. That's why the correct answer will be when. Hardly had dot dot when. Next, rule number 9, we can't dash love our motherland. Can't but. If you find the V1 after gap, you should use but. Rule number 10, he can't dash doing the work. If you find the V4 after gap, you should use help. My dear students, no more today. If you practice and if you follow my instruction or techniques, I hope that you will be able to get full credits in the exam. Thank you all.